Today we are going to learn fractions in a very easy and fun way. We will learn how to divide circles into 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 equal parts. What happens when one whole is divided into equal parts? Let's find out. This one whole circle we just turn into fraction in just a minute. Cut out 8 circles from the chart paper. This is a whole circle. To divide a circle into 2 equal parts, carefully fold the paper so the edge of the circle align perfectly. To divide a circle into 4 equal parts, fold the circle in half to create a diameter. Then fold it in half again so that the folded edges meet, creating a 2 perpendicular lines that intersect at the center. By holding a paper circle in half 3 consecutive times, you divide the total 360 into equal sector 45 degrees each, where each part represents 1/8 of the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To divide a circle into 3 equal parts, first measure the radius. Then keep the pointers on the point formed on the circumference and mark an arc with same radius. This way, mark 6 arcs. Skip 3 alternate arcs. Draw lines from remaining arc to the center. Second method, divide 360 by 3. You will get 120 degree. With the help of protractor, measure 3 equal parts measuring 120 degree. For 1/5, first mark the center. Measure 72 degree angle using a protractor. Same way, mark the 5 points. Join the points formed by the arc to the center of circle. 5 equal parts are formed. For 1/6, find the center and mark 60 degrees with the help of a protractor. Repeat this 6 times. You will get 6 points. Join these points to the center. You will get 6 equal parts. For 1/7, draw a vertical line. With the compass, set marks as shown here. Now join the marks to the center. Now adjust the compass as shown here. Now mark 7 arcs with the new measurement. join this point formed by the arc to the center. Erase the pencil marks.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven.